Caloric restriction extended lifespan in every species it's been tested on. From yeast to primates, the pattern is undeniable. But here's what most people get wrong. It's not about starving yourself. It's about activating your cell's repair mechanisms. When you consume fewer calories, your body triggers autophagy, a cellular cleanup process that removes damaged proteins and mitochondria. This is the same biological pathway activated in centenarians from blue zones who naturally eat less dense foods. They're not counting calories. They're eating whole grains, legumes, and vegetables that keep them fuller longer on fewer total calories. This week, try eating one meal that's 30% smaller than normal, but keep the volume high with fiber-rich foods. Your cells will start the repair process within hours. Living longer starts with understanding the biology. Follow for more.